Hello friends. So in last video we did insert book, but now in this video I am going to show you how we can make this book image name unique. So for that, first of all we need to create here one folder, add ASP.NET folder and app code. Now we need to upload one file to make our files unique. So you need to upload this class1.cs file. I already uploaded this in my hosting, so directly we can see the path of these files from video description, so you can download this. So copy this and right click here, and then we can do here paste. So you can see you go to your class1.cs file. This is for make our files unit name, nothing else. Okay, so here we are going to use that code over here. So for that purpose, first of all I am going to take one variable, string boots image name is equal to, I am going to take here class1, it is our class file name, dot get random password, and I am going to pass here 10. It means it will generate 10 digit random code, and then we are going to set here dot jpg. So now we are going to use here boots image name dot toString, and here also we are going to use boots image name dot toString. So now we are going to check we got this or not. Oh, we got one error. Yeah, here one down bracket missing. Okay, now I'm going to run it again. Okay, now I'm going to enter any value. I'm going to select any file. I'm going to select this file, quantity, and add boots. And now here I am going to open that folder. So from this, right click and open folder in Explorer, and you can see we added this file, but you can see the name is different now, name is unique now. So this way you can make your photo name unique. What is the advantage of this? Just consider, if you are going to upload first a.jpg without any types of changes name in this, means without unique name, you upload a.jpg. After few days, if you are going to add new book with a.jpg, then what happened? The first photo will be replaced with new image. That's why we need to use this way random image. You can use 20 digit random name, 30 digit, whatever. Now in this library management system, we need to add PDF and video also for these books. So for that we need to add two more fields in this table. So I am going to edit this table. Right click, open table definition. It will take some time to load, so we need to wait. So now after this book image, we are going to add two fields. Boots underscore PDF and boots underscore video. So we add these two more fields, and now I'm going to update this. Now I'm going to update this. Yeah, now update completed. So now in this designing. So view designer, here source. In source we are going to add two more file upload control. F2 and F3. Here we are going to take boots PDF, and here we are going to take boots video. Okay, so now here we need to change in coding also, but before that, here paste. Just I copy and paste this 2 times, and now here we need to create 2 more folders. Add new folder, boots underscore PDF. One more folder, add, we are going to take one more folder, boots underscore videos. Okay, so now here we are going to take path 2, here we are going to take path 3. Here not boots underscore image, now here we are going to use boots underscore PDF, which we take here, and path 3, here we are going to take boots underscore videos. Okay, and here also okay. Now here we need to add condition, here also F2 and F3. Now if F2 dot file name dot toString not equal to empty, it means if you select any file, then and then this code will run, because PDF and MP4 file means video is not compulsory. That's why we need to add this condition. If F3 dot file name dot toString, if this equal to will not work, you need to use null. Okay, now we are going to take this type of 2 variable, string boots PDF is equal to empty, string boots video is equal to empty. Boots underscore PDF is equal to class 1 dot get random password. We are going to take here 10 plus, and we are going to take here dot PDF. So we are going to use this boots underscore PDF here. So I am going to take here boots underscore PDF dot toString. Then I am going to take here boots underscore PDF dot toString. Now I am going to copy the same thing and going to paste here boots underscore video. And here I am going to take MP4. So you can see this boots image name. Here we are going to change boots underscore video. Here also boots underscore video. So here boots image name, here boots image name, boots PDF, then boots PDF, then boots video, and here we are going to pass boots video. But these all are not compulsory. Now here we need to pass that path.toString, then here we are going to pass path. Why we are not getting here path to? Oh, we need to declare here path 2 and path 3. We are going to delete from here. Okay, so now here and here we are going to take path 3.toString. Now I am going to run this. Okay, puts title something, boots image. I'm going to take this boots image for boots PDF, this PDF for boots video, and add boots. Okay, so we are getting no error. Now we are going to check here, refresh this here. Yeah, in image we are getting, PDF we are getting, and video we are getting. But now we are going to run again, and now we are not going to select MP4 files, means we are not going to select now videos. Then also we should get PDF and image. Okay, again. PNG. I'm going to take PDF, but I am not going to select video. So now we are going to check. We had only one video, so here also you can see we had only one video, but we got here new image and new PDF. Now here show table data, we can see here I am not getting video path because we are not added, that's why, but we got image path and PDF file. So this way we can upload image, PDF and video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it maximum, so any people can use also this. Thank you so much again.